Hey guys, Claire here, and today I am so excited to share with you one of my favorite vintage recipes. I am making 40 garlic clove turkey. I absolutely love this recipe because it's really classic, it's so simple, and the flavors really come through. Today I'm partnering with Holland House Cooking Wines, a line of flavor-enhancing premium cooking wines. And so I'm using their white cooking wine to make this dish. I love this combination of flavors because the white cooking wine has this really beautiful kind of slight citrus notes, a little bit of apple, and then you also get that kind of roundness, and it really marries well with the garlic. So 40 garlic cloves, that sounds like a lot. It is a lot, it's 3 heads of garlic, but the funny thing about it is when you cook it down this way, it brings out all the sweetness of the garlic. So if you're someone who doesn't want to have garlic breath, don't worry, this actually is really delicious. It's very caramelly, it's very sweet. It's so, so good. I also love this recipe for the holidays because it's not a whole turkey. You know, like for me, a whole turkey is a lot. That's a lot of meat. And if I'm having a Friendsgiving or we're just doing Thanksgiving with just my family this year, it's so much easier to do it this way because you can kind of do more or less depending on how many people are coming over. So today I'm doing 3 pieces of turkey. We're doing 2 turkey thighs and a drumstick. Bone in, skin on. That's how we get all that amazing flavor, especially as it simmers and cooks together. I'm using Holland House white cooking wine, about 1.5 cups, so not a ton, but it's really gonna be so aromatic and creating the base of the great flavors here. Mirepoix is the base of this recipe, and if you're not familiar, mirepoix is sort of like the mother base of all French cooking. All it means is onion, celery, and carrots. So what you see in like a really great chicken soup. The reason why this is sort of the base is because it just has a really great flavor combination. You get this kind of earthiness and brightness from the celery. The carrots have this really amazing sweetness and mellowness. And the onion, I mean, onion has such a distinctive flavor, but when the 3 of them are combined, it's really, really good. And that's why you see this combination in so many recipes. So I have about 2 very large carrots that have been sliced, 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery, a few tablespoons of flour, some dried thyme, salt, a little bit of cream, a little bit of butter, and then I have my 40 cloves of garlic. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is just pat down my turkey to get it nice and dry, and this is to help it crisp up. So I've melted my butter, and now I'm going to brown the turkey, first skin side down, and then once that's fully browned, after about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna flip it over and brown the other side too for another 3 to 5 minutes. All right, it looks done. So now I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm now going to add my garlic. So the garlic is gonna get nice and toasted. So now I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of my Holland House white cooking wine. It adds this really delicious, bold boost of flavor. I love working with this product because the flavors really hold up under high heat. All right, this looks great. So now I'm gonna add the rest of my mirepoix. And then the turkey goes back on top, along with a little bit of salt and then also the thyme. So now I'm going to cook this with the lid on for about 45 minutes over medium-low heat, just until the turkey's done. This looks so good. Okay, so the turkey's finished. I'm pulling it out. And next I'm gonna take about 1/2 cup of the cooking juices, the vegetables, and add a little bit of flour to that 1/2 cup. It's gonna cause everything to bind to it and make this beautiful, rich sauce. And just to finish it, I'm going to add a little bit of cream. This is just gonna add this really lovely richness and really bring out all the flavors. This looks perfect. All right, well, it's time to get plating. It smells amazing in here. It's so aromatic, it's so rich, and what I love is that this is just such a simple, classic dish. You can definitely add other flavors to it. However, I think that the white cooking wine and the garlic, it's just so perfect together. The holiday season is all about comfort food and entertaining. I love using Holland House to really elevate those meals. To serve it, I have this beautiful metallic plate. I love the idea of bringing in like metallics and jewel tones, especially around the holidays. I think it just makes everything look so much more celebratory. So I am gonna add the vegetables on the bottom, and then I'm gonna set the turkey right on top. All right, and then I'm gonna pour a little more of this just right on top with the garlic. It honestly is so soft and tender, so when you enjoy this, you can just fork right through it. It's so pretty. And that's it. My 40 garlic clove turkey is finished. It smells so good, and it is the perfect holiday dish because you can do so much with it, and it has sauce included. That is my favorite part. I don't have to sit around making gravy afterwards. It already is in it. So you have your vegetables, your sauce, and your turkey all in one. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious, super classic dish. Also, I hope this inspired you guys to start experimenting with cooking wine. It's such a versatile ingredient. It's the perfect way to stir in bold flavors into honestly almost any recipe. I love using it in rice, pasta, roasts, even desserts. If you want to learn more, make sure to follow Holland House on Facebook and Pinterest, and they even included a downloadable coupon for you guys, so you can take that coupon and shop their 5 different varieties in store, so you can have a lot of fun with that. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!